I've got my HTML code. I did use Bootstrap to there's a little style on the forms. I still need to add my title. I'll go ahead and do that now. Okay, there we go. Got my title, registration form, links for the Bootstrap, the JavaScript for the Bootstrap, all done through the CDN. Got up here, I've got the multi-part form data, new user.php, the method post. I did put placeholders on my inputs just as helpful hints for the people registering. And I also do have everything's required. I do want to point out a little issue with Safari. Normally when I do projects, I try to I use Safari, Google, and Firefox to see the different interactions with the three, but I'll show you the difference between Safari and Firefox with the required element for validation. Got our button down here, all of our inputs. Then once the user submits from the form, it will go to the new user.php page. And here I embedded the PHP into HTML. Kept my style sheets in Bootstrap. Don't really need the Bootstrap for this portion of it, but I just, it was easy to copy and paste. Doesn't hurt to have it there. Inside the body, we've got our PHP. First, what it is, made a function to put all of the information into an array. The password is using the method post and grabbing the password. First names, grabbing the first name, last names, grabbing the last name, username, and storing them all into the variables. And then the password, doing the same thing, but I'm salting the password with the word encrypted using the MD5. And then I'm returning all of that information into an associative array. With the first name points to the F name variable, last name points to the L name variable, and so on. Next, did the function to gather up the basically piece together everything we need for the image. To upload the image, with this condition here, as long as it's a JPEG or PNG, it will return the image. If not, it will show the error message. And then down here at the bottom, as long as all the information is posted and the submit button's been clicked, the array function will be stored into a variable. It'll show the very top of the page, congratulations, your new account has been created. And then it will take the array function and go through a for each loop to grab all of the information, the first name, last name, username, password, and print out that data onto the page. And then the last thing here is I've got the HTML concatenated with the basically the image function to grab the image and then set it as a width of 500. And here we've closed out the div, which basically just centers everything. Put all my CSS in a separate folder. That's pretty much the code. So let's see how things work. And this one is Safari. So I'll type in Donald Duck dduck password ducky, and then we'll choose a file. I'll just do this flame JPEG that I've done. Okay, so it's submitted, and there's all of the information. Congratulations, your account's been created. Donald Duck, deduct the encrypted password and the image. Now, let me go back here, reload this, get rid of all of that. The thing with Safari, the issue that I had, and I've probably worked on this for about an hour trying to figure out why required's not working. Apparently it doesn't work on Safari. I can click that and it still goes through. I decided to test it out on Firefox, however, and there's the required validation. So if I go in and type, let's type my name, Bcash, nope. Let me choose, I'll just choose a random file just that I know will be the wrong file type. So there's how that would work. It shows everything. It shows error message. Let's see. Here, let's go back and actually choose an actual image. And there everything is. So apparently the required Safari has an issue with it. So it would probably need additional JavaScript or PHP to validate that. But that is my screencast. This week I've learned how to use the post method to grab information in PHP and output it to the page. I've learned how to upload images and show them in a page. Learned a little bit about validation, storing things in variables, functions, a lot of cool stuff. That's it. Hope you enjoyed.